Hi, this is Cal with weldingoutfitter.com. Here talking about the Surfox Mini system to the 54D055. So it comes in this brown box. That's how we'll ship it. There's a gray carrying case. So I'll knock this bad boy open. And as you can see, it's pretty well packaged here. Got the little machine. Got the machine there. You got all the different, etching and marking, and then the actual Surfox, the discoloration, and then AC and DC power is the switch over here. And then you got this, which is the wand holder, and also holds the cartridge for when you're doing it, so it kind of sits on its own. Your ground. And the wand. There's all sorts of accessories for this. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call. And then another piece for the wand there, and then a pad. So that's everything that comes here with the Surfox. If you have any questions, Walter, if you type in 54D055 Mini Surfox and go to their page, we'll have it on our page too. They let us use their videos. It has a great training module, better than what we could do. It goes through if you're doing stainless, etching, weld cleaning, even what to do if you're using titanium, and it just goes through all the steps. So that's a great feature for you. There's different electrolyte solutions, different pads that you can use, different etching equipment that you can use, because this is an etcher and a weld cleaner, so it's both the best worlds. So that can be, you need to clean a MIG or TIG weld, some stainless steel, kind of get some discoloration out of it. Two, you want to put your name on something. This machine can do that, both of those things. And like I said, Walter has a great thing. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for stopping by, and have a great day.